This is the dipper, the world's only aquatic songbird. It spends its whole life near water and even builds its nest behind fast waterfalls. This keeps its babies safe from predators. To feed itself and its chicks, the dipper hunts worms, insects, and small fish that live in the water. When it dives in and swims using its wings, it looks like it's flying underwater. Once it finishes hunting, it comes out of the water and stays dry because its feathers are hydrophobic, which means water doesn't stick to them. Then, to take the food back to its chicks, it flies straight through the strong waterfall, which is almost impossible for other birds.